The most well-known of all Vanuatu's ancient traditions is awe-inspiring land diving, or nagho. Local males tie vines around their ankles and jump off 20 to 30 meter high towers to prove their courage and fertility. Prepare a flower and rosemary sprig garnish. Add sugar syrup into an old-fashioned glass and balance this with the natural acidity of fresh lime juice. Lychee brings intensive aromatics and an exotic punch to this cocktail. There are only 2 chartreuse monks that know the secret recipe of 130 plants which go into making this world-famous liqueur, and has remained unchanged since the 17th century. Ceylon Arak is one of the finest examples of Sri Lanka's national spirit that is made by distilling the fermented sap of coconut flowers. Fill an old-fashioned glass 3/4 full of crushed ice. Swizzle until the outside is frosted and cold to touch. Dip taste. Top with crushed ice. Garnish with a rosemary sprig and a flower. Rinse equipment and replace, present and serve.